Mascara. There was a time when made in Africa products used to be considered inferior to other brands, but now we are in 2025 and I am proud to say that things are no longer that way. Brands, businesses have grown so much that our products are now competing with foreign products, and I am very proud to be a Nigerian specifically. And that's what today is going to be about. I'm going to be showcasing Nigerian brands that are killing it in the beauty space. I'm going to attempt to do a full glam. This is going to be my most glamest glam, hopefully, using only Nigerian products. Most of these brands are brands that I've been using for a very long time. Only about 1 or 2 products are like new, and I'm going to be giving my opinion in this video. But the others I have been using for a very long time. You guys must have even seen it here on my channel before, like me using those products. So yeah, let's just get on to today's video. No, before we start, if you are new here, you're welcome. My name is umeeonyinye and this is my YouTube channel. I am a Nigerian beauty and lifestyle content creator, so just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys already know I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Now that we have all of that out of the way, let's just get on to today's video. Okay, for primer, I'm going to be using this one from Nuban Beauty. It's not new, like you can see. It's one that I've used and loved for a while. It's a hydrating primer, so I'm just going to use it around my face where I usually get dry. I don't know who I think I am, but I just realized now that I don't have a mirror in front of me. I don't know how I plan to do this makeup. But hold on. And I am back. Imagine doing a whole face of makeup without looking in the mirror. Is that even possible? I don't think so. Yeah, so that's done. I'm going to go in now with this Power Seal. This is from MsMectic. So I'm going to go in with my cotton pad. That was a lot. And just dab that in the center of my face where I get dry, oily, not dry. This I've also been using for a while now, and I don't know how to explain the way that it works. It dries out and like snatches your skin. It really dries down. You can feel the dryness when it's dry, and I think that's just a way to show that it's really working. So I'm just going to allow that dry down for a bit. When this dries down, you will definitely know that you applied something on your face. I think because it's supposed to be an oil control, okay, it's even a sweat and oil snag tonic, and that's exactly what it does to your skin. It snags it. You can feel the effect of the tonic on your face. I really don't mind it at all. It doesn't feel so bad. It just feels like really dry skin. It doesn't last anyways because that part of your face produces oil, and after a while it settles. You will not be oily, but it doesn't look as it feels. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but let's just move on. So foundation, I'm going to be using my Zaron foundation. You guys already heard me rave about this foundation when I did my rate my foundation video. So this is the quantity I have at the back of my hand. I'm just going to go in with a brush and then apply this all over my face. I applied all of that foundation that was at the back of my hand on my face, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm just going to go ahead to concealer. For concealer, I'm going to be using 2. I'll be mixing this 2. This one is from Zaron. It's their 5-in-1 Facelift concealer, and this is the Nuban Beauty In My Skin concealer. I like to wait a bit for the concealer to get tacky before I blend it out. While we wait, I'll go in with my contour. You guys remember this? It was in the unboxing video that I posted in my other channel. I was not happy at all with the size of this thing. This is all of it, like all of it. I was not happy with that at all, and I've not used it. This is new. Hopefully it's a product that I like. If not, I'll just be pissed all over again. It's not bad. It's not bad, but it doesn't mean I'm still not pissed as the size. I got it for 6,800 and something naira, and I was shocked when I saw the size of it. I thought it was going to be longer. I wasn't expecting what I saw at all, but it's not bad, so I forgive them. The contour is not difficult to blend out, so I'll give them that. Now I think concealer is tacky enough. I'm going to go in with a beauty blender. This beauty blender is from Nuban Beauty as well. You can see their brand there. I think I should have also mentioned the brushes. I will try to use all of the ones that I got from a Nigerian brand as well. I got a set from them, so I believe I have everything that I need in that set to do a full face. So the brushes I'm going to use in this video, also Nigerian brand, is from Viccabel. All of these brands, I think I'll just leave their name in the description so you guys can check it out if you want to. I'm just blending out with my Nuban Beauty blender. Nuban Beauty setting powder to set my highlights. This is another oldie as well. As you can see, it's almost empty. I have literally maybe 2 or 3 uses left and it's done. The same beauty blender. For blush, I'm going to be mixing 2 as well. This one from Nuban Beauty and this one from Zaron. This is their, what's it called now? Old Fashioned. Yeah. This one is in the shade Old Fashioned and this one is Ruby. This one is the Nuban Beauty shade in Ruby and this one is the Zaron in Old Fashioned. So I'm just going to mix that together. Nice. And using my brush, I'm going to blend that into my face. I'm going to go in with my Zaron Face Definer. I've had this thing for a very long time. I can't remember when I got it, but it's been very, very long. I'm just going to use this shade, this one in the middle, to bronze out my face, just to define the contour that I did earlier. For my brows, I'm going to use this pencil. This is Davis pencil in 018. I'm not sure if this is a Nigerian brand. It's probably made in China or something, but it's a very popular pencil brand that you find anywhere in Nigeria. I'm just going to use this to fill in my brows. My lid, I'm going to go in with my Zaron palette. This is the only Nigerian palette that I currently own. I used to have the colorful one as well. Like they had a range of this palette. I got 2. I don't know where the other one is. I need to prime my lid first. This as a transition shade. This on the lid. This is another made in China eyeliner, but it's one that you can get again anywhere in Nigeria. I got it in Nigeria as well, just from the market. I don't know if there was a time that I was ever good with wing liners. I used to do them often before, but now I can't even attempt to do a tiny wing. I really don't try any longer, but it ends up ruining my eye look, so I just line my eye and move on. Now I'm going to line my waterline with this blue pencil. For mascara, I'm using this one from Zaron. I'll be using my Zaron face powder to set the whole of my face. As you can see, this is well loved, and this is my second one from them. This is the setting spray that I would usually use. This is from Nuban Beauty. As you can see, I'm almost running out of it, but I got a new one recently which I'm going to be using in this video. This one from Soo Pro. Let's try it out and see. Am I supposed to shake it? I don't like the way that the thing applies. It has to be really close to your face, if not everything just pours down instead of on your face. Like, as you can, there's really very little on my face, and it's coming in like droplets because it has to be really close to your face. Okay, this time it's better. Maybe okay, it's better now. I think it's because I was just using it for the first time. My baby's awake and she's screaming down the whole house, so we are gonna shoot the rest of this video together, right? See her teary eyes. I've gone ahead to apply my lipstick. My baby was crying, so I couldn't show you guys the lipstick that I used. But I used these two lipsticks from Zaron. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's really not the best. It breaks. To fix it a little, I'm going to go in with this Omaricode Lip Oil. I don't know if that would even work. I think a lip gloss would have been better, but I don't have any Nigerian lip gloss. I used to have the Zaron lip gloss, but I ran out of that. It was really good. That one was good, really good. Like, I emptied the thing. Let's see if this lip oil can fix this look, because it's really not the best right now. It looks really bad. I like this. It has really nice applicator. This is new. It will be my first time applying it today. This video is becoming really chaotic. I really need to end. Like I said, I'm really not sure a lip oil is the best fix, but it did something. I think this looks a lot better than it was when it was really matte, so I'll take this. I won't give any opinion about this because I don't think that this is the way it should be applied. It's a lip treatment oil, so I think it's supposed to go directly on your lips, so I won't say anything about this product just yet because I've not used it properly, but I think this would work for now. This is the finished look. I don't think it turned out badly. I think I did justice to it, if I do say so myself. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. I would also like to know if you've tried any of these products. What's your opinion on it? Are there other products that you've tried and you really like and you recommend for me to try? Let me know in the comment section as well. Let's have like a whole conversation down there. I'm waiting for you guys there. I'm really waiting. But yeah, I think the look turned out really great. This is my way of saying you don't need to buy really expensive foreign brands to look good. You can do that on a budget with very good quality products that are made in Nigeria. That's the message I'm trying to pass on in this video, and I hope that you heard it loud and clear. That's it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.